Okie dokies!
Hello everyone, welcome to Okie Dokies, where we make crocheting fun and easy for everyone. Today we're going back to the basics and learning how to hold a crochet hook and yarn. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your technique, you're in the right place. Let's start with our tools. Crochet hooks come in various sizes and styles. Today I'll show you two common ways to hold them, the pencil grip and the knife grip. First up, the pencil grip. Hold your hook like this, as if you're about to write with it. This grip gives you excellent control for precise stitches. Just pinch the flat part between your thumb and index finger. Next, let's try the knife grip. Imagine you're cutting a piece of cake. Place your thumb on top of the hook and wrap your fingers underneath. This grip might feel more relaxed and can help you crochet faster. Now let's manage our yarn. Loop it over your pinky, under your ring and middle fingers, and over your index. This will help you control the tension and keep your stitches even. Adjusting your tension is key. Use your thumb and middle finger to pinch the base of your stitches, guiding the yarn smoothly. It might take some practice, but finding that sweet spot is crucial. Everyone's style is unique, so try both grips and see what feels best for you. There's no right or wrong, just your way. Thanks for joining me today. Practice these techniques and don't hesitate to rewind and watch again. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Happy crocheting from all of us at Okie Dokies.